Hello everyone, I welcome you all to the maths class. So you all know that we are in chapter 7, right? So in our previous class we have done till question number 8. Today we will solve question number 9 and 10, okay? So here we have the question number 9. It states that if triangle ABC and triangle PQR are to be congruent, okay, name one additional pair of corresponding parts. What criterion do you use? Okay, so let me choose the pen. Today I'll choose red pen. So they have said that triangle ABC and triangle PQR. This is triangle ABC, this is triangle PQR. Okay, if they are to be congruent, having same shape and size, then name one additional pair of the corresponding parts, because two parts are already given. That is, can you see, angle B is equal to angle Q. So you are going to write, by observing this two triangle, you will write in triangle ABC and triangle PQR. You know that whenever you are proving the congruent, you need to have a pair of a triangle, right? So this is one and this is another. So this makes pair of a triangle. Okay, so over here, what are the features or the points you can see? It is given in the question. So angle ABC is equal to angle PQR. Why? Because they are both 90 degree. Yes, you can, this sign is actually denoting 90 degree. Okay, and angle BCA, this angle is also equal, and angle PQR, just see, double sign is there, right? I hope you can see this part. Okay, PQR here, no, PQR, and I can write here that angle BCA is equal to angle PRQ, right? PRQ. So angle R, if you want to write only angle B is equal to angle C, that is also okay, or angle Q, that is also okay, because that, if you are writing that, also indicate that will also indicate the desired similar angle, okay, or the congruent angle. Now one part should be equal. Okay, one part should be, one point extra should be there, which will make this two triangle congruent. Now what should be there? Now any angle cannot be equal, because angle property was not there. We cannot say angle A is equal to angle P, because we already know that in our criterion rule there is no AAA rule, right? So one side should be equal. So I will give that angle, AB is equal to, or if you want to choose not, if you don't want to choose AB, if you want to say BC, then I will say it will be equal to QR. So you may write BC is equal to QR. It's your choice which side you want to choose, which side you like the most, okay, in the given figure, by the given figure only, in the given figure only. So with this, our congruency, in a pair of a triangle, 3 steps are required. So this is the first, 3 points are required. This is first, second, and this is third, right? So 3 points are required, and by which rule do you think it is fulfilled? It is, now you will comment me in the comment section, okay? Because you can see this is angle, and this is side. So which angle is fulfilling this congruent, or by which criterion the triangle ABC is congruent to triangle PQR? Okay, so in the next page I am writing here, triangle ABC is congruent to triangle PQR. Okay, they are congruent, but you will say by which criterion it is congruent. Okay, proceeding to question number 10. Here we have, explain why triangle ABC is similar to triangle FED. So here in the figure it is given that triangle ABC is they are said that triangle ABC is congruent to triangle FED. Why? But why? Okay, you can easily see that I have told you that you can write angle A is equal to angle F. Yes, angle A is equal to angle F, because double angle mark is given in the figure. Similarly, angle B is equal to angle A. Angle B is equal to angle A. It is similar to the previous question, but here all the pairs are given. You just have to mention which pairs are given. But in the previous question, two points was mentioned, 2 steps was mentioned. Third step you have to prove yourself, right? You have to give it yourself. So, and you will write that BC is equal to DE. So you'll write BC is equal to DE. So now you will say that why it is equal. Now angle A is equal to angle F, so it is given. Angle B is equal to angle B is equal to angle E is also given because they are 90 degree, right? So now why they are congruent? How they are congruent? By which congruent rule? By ASA rule. For the previous question also, now I have given you a hint. So you may write by ASA rule, triangle ABC is congruent to. So in the next page I am writing, okay, triangle ABC. By ASA rule, triangle ABC is similar to triangle FED. Okay, by which rule? By ASA rule. Okay, so I hope it is clear to you. So with this we are over with exercise 7.2, also with the chapter also. If you have any doubt in any point, any confusion in any part of the question, you will directly ask me, you'll comment me. Okay, so in our next class we will be doing more sums with the new chapter. I'll be present. Okay, so till then, stay safe and happy. Thank you everyone.